Welcome back to Weekend Smile. In the spirit of the holiday season, we're delighted to have the dynamic duo from the Jamaican Hustlers musical. Get ready to be enchanted as Rosie Murray Tingling, the talented actress, and Balfour Anderson, the creative force behind the Jamaican Hustler musical play, as its writer and producer, unfold the captivating tale behind this musical extravaganza. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Rosie. Hi, Balfour. How are you guys doing?
Good. I'm
Oh,
good.
we're great.
I'm good.
Yes,
I'm good.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. We're ready.
You are ready for a Jamaican hustler for Christmas.
Yes.
Now, we know that this time of the year, especially, we see hustlers near and far. We see them all over, from on the sidewalks to walking in communities.
Out to the car back.
Everything, the car back in the parking lot.
Yes.
So it's not just only retail stores and, the regulars. We see everybody turn a hustler this time of the year.
Hustling is the name of the game.
Hustling is the name of the game.
Right.
So in addition to the season, how did the concept of Jamaican Hustlers come about?
Well, I've been looking at the street sellers for a number of years. I did some short plays involving scenes with them. But this time around, I decided that I'm going to go full steam ahead. And not just to focus on the hustlers, but to focus on the Jamaican cultural side of things, like the music, and Jamaicans like to eat.
Yeah.
They want everything to eat. And so when we combine selling food on the street along with musical entertainment, then you're getting the whole package in a play.
As well.
Yes.
So you mentioned musical entertainment, but there's also a lot of laughter.
Of course.
Yes.
Of course,
so
of
could you
course.
share, any specific or even scenes that particularly, bring out the humorous side of things?
All right. Well, for example, there's a scene where a new hustler who comes on the scene, he's trying to eke out a living for himself. And of course, the others who have been there before, they don't really want newcomers.
No new thing on the scene.
And then he's coming with some new items, delicacies that people will like, and so on. And so they sort of gang up against him at one point. And what he did to kind of defend himself, he took out a bottle. And immediately they withdrew
Presumed.
because they didn't know what was the content. And one of them guessed that, that could be acid. And when they heard that, they ran away, frightened, only to be told later on that the bottle contains water.
Him
Right.
just give away the plot.
It's all right.
That's just one simple moment.
Just one simple moment. Rosie, I know you up in this
Yes.
thing, right?
Yes.
And you're gonna have the people laughing.
Yes, and they're probably going to hate me a little bit too.
Really?
Yes, because I end up kind of maneuvering everybody else, trying to get them into discipline and so on, and get into little trouble. So as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the laughter is there. It's not only just about the laughter though. There is a closer look on some of the realities that hustlers face.
Yeah.
Because people see them out there all the while, and they probably don't even think through how do they cope with X and Y and Z. Do they have ambitions to do other things? You know what I'm saying? So, like my character, she don't have no intention to stay out there long, She adored him because she have her vision of a big house on the hill, living like a queen.
Yes.
And so it is that other aspect that we look at as well. Not just the fact that they must sell and adore thing, but what happens, what's the psychology behind a lot of these people and their lives.
Yeah, what pushed them to even get there?
Their hopes and aspirations.
Hopes, dreams, aspirations. What do they want to achieve in a year or two?
And what eventually they achieve in this show.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, that's interesting.
Believe that hanging.
You need to see, to find out how these fellows end up, achieving something in the end.
It's so interesting that you mentioned that, because when you do speak to real life hustlers, a lot of them, they want to stop doing what they're doing.
Of course.
They want to elevate, and they just want to use this as a foundation to just do other things. They are stepping stones.
Hustling on the streets, it's a risky business.
Yeah.
They face all kind of adversity, and they have to cope. you know.
Yeah.
So being there is not a lifelong assignment for them.
Yeah.
They are just dealing with it day by day, moment by moment, doing their plan to get out of the
Doing
system
what they
and
have
live a
to
better
do.
life
Yeah.
afterwards.
Now, Rosie, in portraying the art of acting within a musical play, what unique challenges and opportunities did you encounter?
Lots. Okay, so as you can hear, this is how I basically speak. You know what I mean? Having been a broadcaster and all of that. No that and a tat, not like this.
Oh, jeez.
That out and
You're
bad.
outside.
Yes, darling. She totally outside. And them kind of style. You know what I'm saying? So that is one thing. And of course, the singing. I used to do cabaret back in the day, I think. But just to get the opportunity again to sing again, you know, and animate the songs. Because the songs all have a message. And with the animation that you bring to it, it brings the whole thing alive.
Oh.
And the songs are catchy songs.
Yes.
So you're going to anticipate your audience singing along.
The audience will
those
sing
songs.
along.
They're
All right,
going
this
to
sounds-
enjoy those songs.
This sounds like so much fun. Where can we see it? When can we see it?
All right,
us
the
about
play opens Christmas Day, December 25 at 8:30 at Cargill Avenue, 6 Cargill Avenue, that Green Gables complex. Back in the days, it used to be the premier theater venue in Kingston.
Okay.
Where we had 3 theaters operating simultaneously.
Wow.
Right? In those days. Now we are going to be the only theater on the compound, but we are trying to bring that spirit back so that people can gravitate towards Green Gables Theatre
Again.
as the place to watch plays.
All right.
So it's going to be
Guys,
at Green Gables, and it opens on Christmas Day.
What time?
8:30 shows.
8:30, okay.
And then on Saturdays and Sundays, there will be 2 shows actually. One that starts at 5, that's a matinee, and another one at 8:30.
All
And
right.
it's an
All right.
alternating
There's something
cast
they need
as
to
well.
understand. When we open on the 25th, we'll play throughout that week every night at 8:30.
okay.
And then Saturday
Holiday.
and Sunday, 5 and 8:30. And then thereafter, we run from Wednesday to Friday, 8:30. Saturday and Sunday, 5 and 8:30.
all right. Well, I think you have a performance for us a little bit later on.
Yes, I'm in a costume.
You're in a costume already. All right. We do have a ticket
All
giveaway,
that.
right? We do have a ticket giveaway for our viewers. Quickly, before we go, tell us the location of the screening of Jamaican Hustlers. Share your answers on our IG page right now. So tell us the location for the screening of Jamaican Hustlers. We just told you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Yes, actress Rosie Murray Tinglin and writer, of course, Mr. Balfour Anderson, right here with us. Don't go anywhere. Soon come back. Stay with us.